Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cashflow Builders, the best channel for making money online, making money with AI and personal finance. Cashflow Builders, where we dive into the best tips and tricks for making money and building a career on your own terms. Like, comment and subscribe to always be in touch. Today, we're focusing on a topic that's increasingly popular: how to make money from coding without needing a traditional job or a degree. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or dive into a new career path, I've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about freelancing. This is one of the most flexible ways to earn money through coding. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to offer your coding skills to a global audience. You can take on projects like website development, app creation, or even bug fixing. The key here is to build a strong portfolio and gather positive reviews to attract more clients. Start by taking smaller projects to build up your reputation. If you're looking to earn from your coding skills without committing to a full-time job or needing a degree, freelancing is an excellent option. Freelancing offers a unique advantage: freedom and flexibility. You can work from anywhere, choose your own projects, and set your own rates. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are popular places where you can showcase your coding skills to a global audience. Here's how you can get started. Create a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Make sure it clearly highlights your coding skills, experience, and what you can offer. Use a professional photo and write a compelling bio. Include specific skills like web development, app creation, or bug fixing. Build a portfolio, showcase your best work. If you're just starting out and don't have many projects, consider doing some personal or small-scale projects to demonstrate your abilities. A strong portfolio helps potential clients see what you're capable of. Start with smaller projects. In the beginning, aim for smaller, manageable projects. These projects are often easier to complete and will help you build a positive reputation and gather those essential reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can start taking on more complex and higher-paying projects. Gather positive reviews. Reviews and ratings are crucial on freelancing platforms. After completing a project, encourage your clients to leave feedback. Good reviews will boost your profile and attract more clients. Keep learning and improving. The tech industry evolves quickly, and staying updated with the latest trends and technologies will keep you competitive. Continue learning new skills and techniques to offer the best solutions to your clients. Remember, freelancing is as much about building relationships as it is about coding. Communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and always strive for high-quality work. Your reputation as a freelancer is built on reliability and expertise. Trust Cashflow Builders for the best content on making money online, personal finance, and making money with AI. Like, comment and subscribe to always be in touch. Next, we have creating and selling software or tools. If you have an idea for a software tool or app, you can develop it and sell it online. Sites like Gumroad or the Shopify App Store are great places to sell your software. It could be a productivity tool, a plugin for popular platforms, or even a game. The best part? Once it's built, you can continue to earn from it with little ongoing effort. If you've ever had a great idea for a software tool, app, or plugin, this could be your chance to turn that idea into a revenue stream. Creating and selling software is a fantastic way to monetize your coding skills. Whether it's a productivity tool, a plugin for popular platforms, or even a game, there's a market out there for your creations. Here's how you can get started. Identify a need. Start by identifying a problem or a need in the market. This could be something you personally struggle with or something that other users might find helpful. Look for gaps or inefficiencies that your software could address. Develop your software. Once you have an idea, it's time to start building. Whether you're creating a desktop application, a web-based tool, or a mobile app, focus on developing a clean, functional product. Make sure it's user-friendly and solves the problem you identified. Choose a platform to sell. Platforms like Gumroad and the Shopify App Store are excellent places to sell your software. These platforms make it easy to manage transactions and reach a large audience. For apps and plugins, consider marketplaces related to specific platforms, like the WordPress plugin directory or the Chrome Web Store. Set your pricing. Decide on a pricing strategy that makes sense for your software. You could offer it as a one-time purchase, a subscription model, or even a freemium model where basic features are free, but users pay for premium features. Promote your product. Marketing is key to driving sales. Use social media, content marketing, and email newsletters to spread the word about your software. Creating a website or a landing page where potential customers can learn more and make a purchase is also crucial. Once your software is out there, listen to user feedback and make necessary updates. Continuous improvement can help you retain customers and attract new ones. The beauty of software is that once it's built, you can earn from it with minimal ongoing effort. Trust Cashflow Builders for the best content on making money online, personal finance, and making money with AI. Like, comment, and subscribe to always be in touch. The third method is building and monetizing a blog or YouTube channel about coding. If you're passionate about coding, share your knowledge with the world. Create tutorials, coding challenges, or tips and tricks to help others learn. As you build your audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsored content, or even membership subscriptions. It's a great way to turn your coding knowledge into a profitable venture. If you've got a passion for coding and want to find a way to turn that passion into profit, today's method might be perfect for you: building and monetizing a blog or YouTube channel. Let's explore how sharing your coding knowledge can become a profitable venture. If you love coding and have a knack for teaching, creating a blog or YouTube channel is a fantastic way to share your expertise with the world and make money while doing it. Choose your platform. Decide whether you want to start a blog, a YouTube channel, or both. A blog is great for detailed written tutorials and articles, while YouTube is perfect for video content, coding demonstrations, and interactive tutorials. Create valuable content. Focus on creating content that provides real value. This could include tutorials on coding languages, coding challenges, tips and tricks, or problem-solving strategies. The key is to offer insights that help your audience improve their coding skills. Build your audience. Share your content on social media, coding forums, and communities to attract viewers or readers. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to build a loyal following. The larger your audience, the more opportunities you'll have for monetization. Monetize your content. Once you have a solid following, there are several ways to monetize your blog or channel. Ads. Use platforms like Google AdSense for blogs or YouTube's partner program to earn money from ads. Sponsored content. Partner with companies for sponsored posts or videos. Companies often pay you to create content featuring their products or services. Membership subscriptions. Offer exclusive content through membership platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships. Subscribers can pay for additional tutorials, one-on-one sessions, or early access to content. Continuously improve. Stay updated with the latest coding trends and technologies to keep your content relevant. Regularly review your analytics to see what content resonates most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Building and monetizing a blog or YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to share your passion for coding with others, but you also create a potential revenue stream. Trust Cashflow Builders for the best content on making money online, personal finance, and making money with AI. Like, comment, and subscribe to always be in touch. The fourth way is participating in coding competitions and hackathons. Many organizations offer cash prizes for coding challenges. Websites like HackerRank, Codeforces, and TopCoder host regular contests where you can win money or prizes. Not only do these competitions sharpen your skills, but they also provide an opportunity to earn some cash and even network with industry professionals. If you're passionate about coding and enjoy a good challenge, this method is for you. Let's explore how you can turn your skills into cash and prizes while sharpening your coding abilities. Coding competitions and hackathons are exciting ways to test your skills, win prizes, and even connect with industry professionals. Here's how you can get started and make the most out of these opportunities. Find competitions. Many organizations host coding challenges and hackathons with cash prizes and other rewards. Websites like HackerRank, Codeforces, and TopCoder regularly feature contests that you can participate in. Keep an eye on these platforms and register for contests that match your skill level and interests. Prepare and practice. To perform well in these competitions, you'll need to be well prepared. Practice coding problems regularly, study algorithms and data structures, and review past competition questions. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be during the actual contests. Participate actively. During a competition, focus on solving problems efficiently. Many contests have a time limit, so managing your time well is crucial. Don't get discouraged if you encounter difficult problems. Stay calm and tackle them systematically. Win prizes and rewards. As you participate and excel in these contests, you can win cash prizes, gift cards, or even job offers. Many competitions also offer swag and other perks. Winning or performing well can also enhance your resume and demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Network and learn. Competitions and hackathons are great opportunities to network with other coders and industry professionals. Engage in the community, participate in discussions, and learn from others. Networking can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and even job offers. Participating in coding competitions and hackathons not only offers a chance to earn money but also helps you stay sharp and connected in the tech world. It's a win-win situation where you can grow your skills and potentially boost your career. Trust Cashflow Builders for the best content on making money online, personal finance, and making money with AI. Like, comment, and subscribe to always be in touch. Finally, let's talk about offering online coding courses or tutoring. If you're proficient in a particular programming language or technology, you can teach others. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even tutoring sites like Wizant allow you to create and sell your own coding courses. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions to help students or professionals improve their skills. This is a great way to make money while helping others learn. If you're skilled in a particular programming language or technology, teaching others can be a rewarding and profitable way to share your expertise. Let's dive into how you can get started. Whether you're a coding guru or just really passionate about a specific technology, there are plenty of opportunities to turn that knowledge into income. Here's how you can leverage your skills to create and sell coding courses or offer tutoring sessions. Choose your niche. Identify the programming language, technology, or skill you want to teach. It could be anything from Python basics, web development, data science, to advanced algorithms. Make sure it's something you're comfortable with and passionate about. Create your course content. Start by outlining your course or tutoring plan. If you're creating an online course, break it down into modules or lessons that cover the key concepts. For tutoring, prepare a structured approach to guide your sessions effectively. Make sure your content is clear, engaging, and provides real value to your students. Choose a platform. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell your own courses. They handle the hosting and payment processes, so you can focus on content creation. For one-on-one tutoring, websites like Wizant or even freelance platforms like Upwork can connect you with students seeking personalized help. Set your pricing. Determine how much you want to charge for your courses or tutoring sessions. For courses, you might offer tiered pricing or bundles for additional value. For tutoring, you could charge per session or offer packages. Research similar offerings to price competitively. Promote your offerings. Use social media, blogs, or your own website to promote your courses or tutoring services. Share testimonials, success stories, and sample content to attract potential students. Engaging with relevant online communities can also help spread the word. Whether you're teaching a course or offering tutoring, providing ongoing support and constructive feedback is essential. Engage with your students, answer their questions, and be responsive to their needs. This will help you build a strong reputation and encourage positive reviews. Offering online coding courses or tutoring not only allows you to make money but also helps others grow their skills. It's a fulfilling way to use your expertise and make a positive impact on the coding community. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money from coding without needing a traditional job or degree. Whether you choose freelancing, creating software, blogging, participating in competitions, or teaching, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try, or if you have any other money-making tips related to coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.